So in this question here, we're looking at a typical GCSE level question to do with volumes and shapes. I've got a cone that has base radius 9 and height 15 centimetres. And what I'm doing is I'm going to remove this small cone and I want to calculate the volume of the remaining frustrum. I.e. this shape has base 9 and top 3 centimetres. Okay? So I'm just basically removing the top cone. To do that, if you calculate the volume of the big cone, the formula is 1/3 pi r squared h. And if I take the big cone and I subtract off the small cone, that will leave me with the frustrum. So let's do that. We need the radius of both, which we know, and we need the height of both. We know the height of the big cone, so I can use similar shapes or similar figures because the big cone ratio to the small cone is the same. So the ratio would be 3 to 9. Yeah, so I'm just timesing by 3, or dividing by 3 if I'm going from the big to the small. So I'm going to do 15, and I'm going to divide it by 3, which would give me the new height, which is 5 centimetres. So now I can find the volume of the big cone, so we'll call that V big, and I'm going to take away the volume of the small cone, V small. Let's put the values in. 1/3 pi, the big one is 9, so 9 squared and the height is 15, and I'm going to take off the small one, which is 1/3 pi times 3 squared times by 5. Playing around with it, you get 27, so 9 squared is 81, divided by 3 is 27. I have 27 pi times by 15, and I will subtract off 3 squared is 9, divided by 3 is 3, or the indices cancel. I get 3 pi times by, by 5. So I have 27 pi times 15, take away 15 pi, it effectively gives me 390 pi, which you can put in your calculator and give to a relevant degree of accuracy if it asks for it.